Vande Matram, everyone. Today's story is a question rather. So the question is that who is mightier, karma or Bhagya? So once there was a fight between karma and Bhagya, citing various examples of their qualities. They could not resolve this issue, so finally decided to go to Prabhu. Prabhu decided to send both of them to a cave. At night, both of them got scared and set their differences aside. Karma made an effort to go and find and arrange for some food. At this point, he felt pity. He felt very sorry for Bhagya and shared the meal with him too. They were satisfied, had peace with each other, and they prayed to Prabhu, and finally they managed to get out of the cave. But as soon as they came out, again the argument started between them. Karma said, "Had it not been me, I made the effort of arranging food, so you got food, Bhagya." Bhagya argued that the pity that aroused in your heart for me was my destiny and came to my rescue. At this point, Prabhu intervened once again and said, "Karma is nothing but Bhagya, and Bhagya is nothing but karma. Your past actions, your past karma are your Bhagya today, and your karma today will be your Bhagya tomorrow. They are correlated with each other." He continued and said that your hands are your kar and this world is karma bhumi. You have to perform, but with righteous actions. But how to choose between right and wrong? Is it so tough? No, not at all. It is just a 3-second magic. You just have to offer everything to the divine, everything to the God, and He will guide you. Children, hate has 4 letters and so does care. Cry has 3 letters and so does joy. Lying has 5 letters and so does truth. Negativity has 10 letters, so does positivity. Failure has 7 letters, so does success. Choice is always yours. You always have the power to make a choice. So always choose the better side. Thank you and all the very best.